So I made this loom out of a basic canvas stretcher frame, which I had laying around from back in the day when I painted. And all I did was pre-drill and nailed some nails in it. They're about 1/4 inch, a little bit larger than 1/4 inch apart at the top and the bottom. And then I warped the loom with my warp thread. So I have now a fairly large loom to work with. And it cost me about, I'd say probably less than $20 to make. And I can make pieces that are 2 feet by 3 feet now. But the most exciting thing about this is that I could probably make 3 pieces at once. So 3 pieces that are about this size, which I would normally make on a small loom, the ones that come with my workshop. But now I can do 3 at a time on this loom. And it's just standing on a easel that, again, I had from back in the day. But you could easily prop it up against something. So just thought I'd share that for people who want to try loom weaving but don't want to invest in all the tools yet. So I could probably make 3 pieces at once on that loom that are about this size, which were made on a 10 by 12 inch loom, which is the size that you get in the workshop that I teach. So now I can make 3 at the same time.